how to copy or transfer files in VMware Workstation from your host operating system. Hi everyone, my name is Saad, and in this video we are going to see that if you are trying to copy and paste files from your host system to virtual machine, how we can do that. We will see the simple technique, and if the paste option is not working, we will find some solutions for that as well. So without further ado, let's get started. So here is my host system. I'll just select the file that I want to copy and just press Control C. Control C is for copy, and just go to the virtual machine. Let's say on the C drive, this PC, this is my virtual machine, and just go to the C drive and paste it right here. So if it says access denied, just try pasting it in some other folder, because that might be restriction with some Windows thing. So let's try to paste it in the downloads. And now you can see that it pasted successfully. So one method might be that if you have access denied error coming, this should be the solution. But if let's say you right click and you don't get any paste option right here, what we can do in that situation, let's see. So the main issue might be that you have just installed the VM workstation and you haven't installed the VMware tools. That's why most of the functions are still not running. So all you have to do in that situation is just go to the VM here and click on install VMware tools. Now, if you haven't installed this, you will get installation option and not the reinstall one. But let's say if you're having the problem with the existing one, even after installing the VMware tools, let's click on reinstall and it should load it as a drive here. And then we will just go here to the drive and let's go here. You can just right click and run as administrator. Click yes. Let me make it large. Click next. And if it is a new installation, you might see some different options on the first one. But even though it is selected on the first one, so we will keep it default. Click next and install. Now, after finishing this, let's minimize the virtual machine and just go to the host machine. Here I am on my host machine. Just go to the start menu and write task manager here. Now let's open this, and now we will click on run a new task right here. The option is here. If you're using the older version, you might get this file option right here, and from here you can run the new task. But I'm using Windows 11, so run a new task feature is here. So let's run it. Now here I'll just click on browse, and we will just follow some steps. So you have to follow exactly the same. Just go to the C drive right here and go to Windows and just search for System32. So here is System32. Just select any folder. If you can't find it easily, just select any folder and hit S. Keep on hitting S until you come to this area according to the alphabets. Let's go to the System32, and here we will find GP update. Here's GP update. Click open and click OK. And here it will show you updating policy in the prompt. Computer policy update has successfully completed. And now just close this and go to the VM workstation. We have already installed the VMware tools. Now, if you're running this VMware tools for the first time, it might ask you to restart your virtual machine, and it will flicker the screen and make it full screen. So don't worry. After all the settings, you can just restart this, and then your copy and paste method should work. So after that, what we can do is just try that. Let's go to the host system and let's choose any file. Let's go to, let's say, downloads, and let's say this is the setup that I want to paste. I'll just copy this and just go to the virtual machine here and just try to paste it. Right click here and we have the paste option running. You can also click on show more options and you will see the more traditional kind of style. So we don't have paste option disabled now. So let's click on paste and it is working fine. So guys, try this method and comment down below if it works, and I will see you in the next one.